Hello guys, we came all the way from Vigan and we passed by Santa Barbara, Lucky One Eatery. Try the Lucky One Eatery. They have the best meal and menu. You can choose from your variety of menus and viands. They have sweets as well and halo-halo. You will see meron po silang mga bahay kubo places where you can stay and have your lunch or dinner or breakfast.
Oh, thank you, Tita.
You can look for, ma'am, your name po,
Veronica.
you can look for Miss Veronica if you want to have some reservation.
Yes po.
So guys, sa lahat ng mga vacation, and if you pass by Pangasinan, Santa Barbara, you can look for Lucky One Eatery. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Just to plug in Tito Bob, our friend from Riyadh, who tell us about Lucky One Eatery. Maraming salamat po.